Good morning students. Welcome to my maths class. So in previous video we were done with exercise number 3.3 and 3.1. Today we are going to do something new and interesting. So today we are going to start exercise number 3.2. Addition of 2 and 3 digit numbers with regrouping. So meet Mickey. He is ice cream man. He has bought some ice creams and we have to find out how many ice creams he has bought. So as you can see, he has bought some chocolate bars and some orange bars. So today we have to find out how many ice creams total he has bought. So for this, what should we do? Yes, we will do addition. But before adding these two types of ice cream, it is very necessary to count individual these chocolate ice creams and these orange ice cream. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here are 14 chocolate ice creams. So these are more than 10. 10 से ज़्यादा है. So what can we do? We can make group of 110 here, है ना? Because we all know that 10 ones is equal to 110. So here are 14 chocolate ice creams. So here I am going to make group of 110. So for this, I have to count these 10 chocolate ice creams. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here I am going to make group of 10 chocolate ice creams. Okay. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 ice creams are left. So we can say that only 4 ones are left. So how many 10 is there? How many 10s is there? Only 1. So here I am going to write only 110. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. Okay. Now what we will do, we will add them, है ना? So now come to these orange bars. Let's start counting these orange bars. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So they are also more than 10, है ना? But these are less than 20. So we can't make two groups of 10s, है ना? 2 10s का ग्रुप नहीं बना सकते हम. 110 का ही ग्रुप बना सकते हैं because they are more than 10 but less than 20. So let's make a group of 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I am going to make group of 110. Okay. Now see how many ones are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones are left. So 110 and 8 ones. Now what we will do? We will add them to find out how many ice creams Mickey has bought. Okay. So see, what was the method? First add ones group, है ना. सबसे पहले हम कौन से नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं? जो वंस के ग्रुप में होते हैं, है ना. सो विच वन इज ग्रेटर? यस, 8. नाउ 4 आई एम गोइंग टू काउंट ऑन माई फिंगर्स. सो 8 is here, 8 is in my mind, and 4 I am going to count on my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what I got? 12, है ना. But as you can see, 12 is also more than 10, है ना. 12 is also more than 10. 12 भी बड़ा है 10 से. इट मीन्स अगर हम इसकी रीग्रुपिंग करें तो हमें 110 मिल सकता है ना. एक ग्रुप तो मिल सकता है एटलीस्ट 10 का. सो वी कैन राइट दिस 12 in this form also. 110 and 2 ones, है ना. Both are same thing, but I can't write this one in this ones column. Why so? Because this 110 doesn't belong to this ones group. It belongs to only its group, that is tens group. Okay, so here I am going to write only 2 because 2 ones are there. So this is a group of ones. Okay, now what should we do with this one? So I am going to give place to this 10 in tens group. Okay, so here I am writing this 1. Okay, so now let's count how many tens are there. अब कितने tens हो गए ये? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so what is our answer? 32. So Mickey has bought how many ice creams? 32 ice creams. Okay, so here we have done this addition with one example. We can do it directly also. So for more practice, I have taken here some of the sums from exercise 3.2. So here I am going to do number 1. So what was the method? First we will add one's side. Okay, so I am going to add these addends. Okay, so first we see which one is greater. So 9 is greater than 6. So 9 is in my mind and 6 I am going to count on my fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 9 is in my mind. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got 15 in one's side, है ना. one's कॉलम में जब मैंने एडिशन किया 9 और 6 का तो मुझे क्या मिला? 15, है ना. So only 5 I can write here and 1 will be carry over to tens group. Okay, now I am going to add this tens group. Okay, so which one is greater in this? Yes, 5. So 5 is in my mind. 3 I am going to count on my fingers. So 1, 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 and I am going to add this 110 also. 8 and 1, 9. So what will be its answer? 95. 5. Okay. Now come to second one. Here also I am going to add this one side first. So which one is greater? 8. Okay. So 8 is in my mind and 6 I am going to count on my fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here also I got 14. So 4 I am going to write here and 1 will be carry over to tens group. So now I am going to add this tens column. Okay. So which one is greater? 4. 4 is in my mind and 3 I am going to count on my fingers. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And this one also. So 4 is in my mind and 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I am going to add this tens column. So which one is greater? 4. Okay. So 4 is in my mind and 3 I am going to count on my fingers. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and I am going to add this 1 also. So 7 and 1, 8. So what we get final sum? 84. Now come to next. First I am going to add this ones column. Okay, so which one is greater in this? Yes, 8. So 8 is in my mind and 7 and 2 I am going to add on my fingers. Okay, 7 I am going to count on my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 2 is also here. 1, 2. है ना? 8 is in my mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what is the sum of these three addends? 18. So here 8 only I can write. 1 will be carry over. है ना? 1 क्या होगा? Carry में जाएगा. So which one is greater here? 5. Okay. 5 and 2 I am going to count. 2 and 1 I am going to count on my fingers. So 1, 2 and this one 3. Total 3 and this one 4. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I got? 9. So what is the answer of these three addends? 98. What we got? 98. So here I am done with exercise number 3.2. I have done some of these sums. Rest of the sums you can do in your book as a practice. Till then, bye. See ya.